Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to have a revision chapter 8, Be punctual. Okay? In this lesson, we are going to learn about punctuality. Punctuality means be on time. Okay? Punctuality means be on time. It was the annual day. Okay? In the school, they are going to celebrate annual day. So each class have one particular program. So one particular concept theme. They are going to perform the particular theme or concept or program. So likewise, one girl, her name was Sheila. In her class also have a program. Okay. So they have to act as a play. Play means drama. They are going to perform a drama in a annual day. So Sheila also selected in that play, but on the particular day when the program was, that day she was late. She did not come on time. She was late. But during the rehearsal time and practice, she is on time. But on a program day, she was late. Okay, she was late means she was not 1 minute or 2 minutes. More than half an hour, she was late. And before starting the program, a principal visited all the classrooms whether they are ready or not. All the participants whether they are ready or not. There he visited. So her class teacher was very fear and she was afraid whether she will come or not, because Sheila is going to perform a main character in that play. If she is absent, we could not do anything. We could not replace any other student in that. So her class teacher was very tension and anger with her. Okay, and she was waiting for her when she will come. So her program place was second. Then class teacher requested to the organizer who is organizing the total program, and she changed her program 2 or 3 programs back. Okay, and organizer also cooperate with her and he changed that program list. Then after, when the program started, after the half an hour, Sheila reached. Okay, program started after half an hour, Sheila reached. And with her parents, they reached, and the chief guest was arrived. Function also started. Announcements are made after which program which is going to be done. So 10 minutes after program, after 10 minutes program started, she reached. Okay, so they were waiting for her almost half an hour. So she did not come. Then the chief guest and everyone is waiting for her, only one person. So the program started. After the starting of program, 10 minutes she came. Sheila with her parents, she came. And all we are only late by 10 minutes. And Sheila's mother said, okay, Sheila, don't worry, we are not late much, we late only 10 minutes. Okay, so it is not a big issue. You don't feel, you don't afraid. And this her Sheila class teacher come to know, and she was tensioned and she was angry, and then she said to her mother, Sheila's mother, class teacher talked to Sheila mother, and she said that, ma'am, it is not a 10 minutes late. Okay, she just said, madam, there are nearly 1,000 people waiting for you. So you don't say only 10 minutes waiting. So 1,000 people are waiting for you that 10 minutes. So it is not a simple thing. It is not a less time. 1,000 to 10, you just calculate. So that much you wasted. Okay, you late. That much you late. Don't say that it is simple. Only we late 10 minutes. And delaying program is a disrespect to the invited guest. So if you are not, for example, the program will start 10 o'clock means sharply 10 o'clock we have to start the program. If it is delayed, it is not a problem of those who are participating in the program or those who are conducting program. It is the problem of who is arrived as a chief guest. We are insulting to the chief guest and our school reputation will go. So don't think if it is late means it will not affect you and it will affect whole the school. The class teacher explained to her mother. And delaying program is disrespected to the invited guests. It not only worries the organizer but also spoils the reputation of the school. Yes, I told you already. And punctuality is a great virtue. So punctuality is a great virtue. So people who are punctual are respected and trusted everywhere. So those who are following punctuality, the people respected and trusted everywhere. Those who are punctual, if they go anywhere, they will respect to the others. Others will respect to them. A student who comes to the class late offers many excuses. Excuses is given when then there is no sense of responsibility. So, if one day comes late, it is not an issue. It happens to everyone. But if you are continuously comes late, it is not a good thing and it is not a excuses. So, again and again, if you are asking excuses, that is not a good and that is a sense of responsibility. It shows that you are irresponsible person. You are not a responsibility person. It shows always if you are come late, it shows you are irresponsible. Okay? Punctuality shows responsibility. So if 8 o'clock you have to come means we have to be there on time. Okay? Then it shows our responsibility. Okay? How you are with your work or your studies, how interest you are having, that it will shows if you are punctual. Okay, so I hope hereafter you will be on time in your school and you should follow everywhere punctuality. Okay, and I hope you understand the lesson. Okay, and in this lesson we learned how to be punctual. Okay, and punctuality, what is punctuality? Okay, punctuality taught us what? Okay, so these things we learn from lesson 8. I hope you understand the lesson and learn well all the question answer from all the lessons. Okay, and be safe at home. Thank you and have a nice day.